Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to find Jio SIM number. Friends, if you want to find Jio number on mobile phone, then you simply need to dial 1299. Friends, after dialing 1299, you will receive a message on which your mobile number is written on it. Now this call will auto end and you will receive a message on your mobile phone. Like I have received this message just now and my mobile number is written on it. So friends, like this you can very easily find Geo number of a SIM card. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.